Today, high-tech cars are equipped with sophisticated gear. However, one key element missing is a good quality dash cam. It all looks, well, enjoyable and awesome when the road is clear and everything goes smoothly. Beautiful sunshine and a clear road. However, when you are on the road, things can change fast. Inexperienced drivers, erratic behaviors, road rage, car races, pedestrians, motorbikes, and the list goes on. They all can pose danger and can put you in a challenging position any moment. There are many makes, models, and types of dash cams that are available in the marketplace. If you are confused about which one to choose, then one of the best options is to go with Rover R2 4K dash cam, one of the most advanced dash cams with 4K Ultra HD resolution. Revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low light conditions. With its new distortion correction algorithm, it can eliminate visual noise to present crisp footage. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rover app to view and manage dash cam footage instantly. You can download the recorded videos directly to your smartphone and can also easily share the clips on social media or with friends and family. Built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with the car DV player. The Rover R2 car dashboard camera has f1.8 aperture, which is the largest in the industry. Parking mode gets triggered automatically when you shut the engine off. Some other features are 150 degrees wide angle lens barrel, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, video lock, time-lapse video, slow motion video, extended storage capacity. Before choosing any dash cam, temperature guidelines are an essential guidelines that matter the most. Rover R2 4K is designed to withstand extreme heat conditions and cold temperatures. It can function in minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 176 degrees Fahrenheit. One Amazon customer stated that I am 91 years old, and I love it. Rover also provides how-to videos to give you quick overview as well as detailed setup guidance. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good that you will notice much more clarity and quality difference than all other car dash cams. When you buy this dash cam, you will be provided free firmware upgrades, free app updates, free GPS player and customer support along with 1-year warranty and 30 days refund if you don't like it. If you wish to purchase this ultra smart dash cam, the link to buy is mentioned in the description section below. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, features, and updates.